In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can buy a house here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to actually buy a house, you're going to need to unlock houses for sale first. Now, these become available as you progress through the game and, of course, continue to discover Japan's storyline. And the more you progress, the more houses will actually appear on the map itself. Now, I have this house over here right now and then another house as well. And you can actually check to see what these houses look like on your map just by opening up. They'll look something like this. And there is a ton of them. I have some that I can unlock over here. I think I have some way down here as well. I'm not 100% sure, but somewhere over in this area, I know I have another one. But once you essentially have a house available to purchase, and let's just make our way over to this one real quick, right? As you drive up to its location, it's going to give you the opportunity to purchase it as well. And you can purchase it as long as you have enough credits overall. Like as you can see, this one's only 400, yards away. We'll make our way over to it. Here we go. You would just view it just like so. And then of course you can purchase it if you actually like the house itself. That's a full process. This is not an ideal location for me yet, so I'm not going to get it. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.